Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B1240 is associated with an issue in the mode control motor circuit, which is crucial for the operation of the vehicle's climate control system. It specifically indicates a problem within the circuit, linkage, doors, or the motor itself. Located in the dashboard area, the mode control motor's primary function is to direct airflow through various vents within the cabin, providing optimal thermal comfort to passengers. When DTC B1240 is triggered, it typically signifies a malfunction that may inhibit the proper functioning of these components, leading to air distribution issues. Understanding this code is vital for diagnosing climate control problems effectively, as customer satisfaction hinges on a well-functioning heating and cooling system. Regular checks and timely repairs can prevent extensive damage and ensure continued passenger comfort. DTC B1240 indicates a malfunction associated with the mode control motor, which directly impacts the climate control system's ability to function properly. The mode control motor is responsible for adjusting the position of doors that control the flow of air within the vehicle. Located behind the dashboard, it operates several control settings to direct airflow to ventilate different areas of the cabin effectively. If there's an issue within the mode control motor circuit, it may lead to improper airflow distribution, resulting in driver and passenger discomfort. Additionally, this error may cause certain heating and cooling functions to become inoperative, necessitating diagnosis and repair to restore full climate control capabilities. The potential causes for DTC B1240 can be classified into several categories. An open wire in the circuit may disrupt continuity, leading to a failure in communication between the climate control unit and the mode control motor. Furthermore, a shorted wire to body ground can cause a direct connection that may result in erratic operation or complete failure of the mode control system. In some scenarios, the mode control motor itself may be malfunctioning, preventing it from responding to signals from the climate control unit. Each of these issues can stem from factors like wear and tear, improper installation, or road debris affecting circuit integrity. Accurate diagnosis is essential in identifying the root cause of this error code. Symptoms associated with a DTC B1240 can manifest in various ways, directly affecting vehicle comfort. One common symptom includes inoperative climate controls, where settings do not adjust as intended, leaving occupants experiencing discomfort. Drivers may also notice incorrect airflow direction, with air failing to reach designated vents or blowing inappropriately through defrost or floor settings. Additionally, unusual sounds emanating from the dashboard could indicate mechanical failures or binding in the mode control linkage or motor. These symptoms can be both annoying and detrimental to the vehicle's functional appeal, underscoring the need for timely diagnosis and intervention. It's important for vehicle owners to recognize these signs to facilitate prompt repairs. In the first troubleshooting step, the goal is to verify the presence of DTC B1240. To begin, clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This allows the system to reset and helps determine if the issue is persistent or an intermittent failure. After clearing the codes, turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then to the on position. This step prepares the system for a thorough self-diagnostic check. Following this, engage in a self-diagnostic process using either the HDS or the vehicle's climate control unit. Finally, check for any DTCs again to see if DTC B1240 is indicated. If it appears, proceed to the next step. If it does not, this might suggest an intermittent connection issue, warranting a closer inspection of the mode control motor circuit for loose wires or poor connections. The second troubleshooting step involves checking for open wires in the mode control motor circuit. Begin by ensuring the ignition switch is in the lock position. Next, disconnect the climate control unit 32P connector and the mode control motor 7P connector to isolate the circuit for testing. With the connectors disconnected, it's imperative to check for continuity between specific test points to identify any breaks along the mode MTR-DF and mode MTR vent lines. The test conditions require that the ignition is in the lock 0 state. For the mode MTR-DF circuit, test point 1 is the climate control unit 32P connector number 5, GRN, and test point 2 is the mode control motor 7P connector number 6, GRN. Additionally, evaluate the vent circuit with the corresponding test points. If continuity exists, it indicates the wires are fine, allowing for progression to the next step. However, if no continuity is found, it signifies an open wire that must be repaired to ensure proper operation. The third troubleshooting step is focused on checking for shorted wires in the mode control motor circuit. Using the same disconnect state from step 2, check continuity between designated test points to determine if there's a short to body ground. The ignition should remain in the lock 0 position, and both the climate control unit 32P connector and the mode control motor 7P connector should be disconnected. For the mode MTR-DEF circuit, check continuity from the climate control unit 32P connector number 5, GRN, to body ground. And similarly for the mode MTR vent circuit from the climate control unit number 6, WHT, to body ground. If continuity is found, it confirms a short circuit situation, requiring appropriate repairs to rectify the short to ground. Conversely, if continuity is absent, this indicates the mode MTR-DEF and mode MTR vent wires are intact, allowing transition to the final testing step. The fourth and final troubleshooting step involves testing the mode control motor itself to ascertain if it's functioning properly. Employ a multimeter or appropriate diagnostic equipment to evaluate the motor's operational integrity. If the mode control motor tests confirm functionality, this typically indicates the motor is not the root of the issue, thus requiring replacement of the climate control unit to fully resolve DTC B1240. Conversely, if the mode control motor fails the test, the appropriate course of action is to either replace the motor or address issues related to the mode control linkage and doors that could compromise proper operation. This step effectively determines whether the issue lies with the motor or the supporting components linked to its functionality. Ensuring precise diagnostics at this stage is crucial for successful resolution. After completing the troubleshooting and any necessary repairs, it is essential to conduct a final verification of the mode control system's functionality. Begin by rechecking the operation of the mode control motor and overall climate control performance. This confirms that airflow accurately directs through the intended vents and that the system responds appropriately to driver inputs. Following this evaluation, clear any remaining DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, once again to ensure that no problematic codes remain in the vehicle's system. Lastly, it's important to verify that no new issues have arisen and that the vehicle operates smoothly, particularly concerning the air distribution system. This step cements the repair's success and ensures the vehicle meets comfort and operational standards. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring the ongoing performance of the mode control motor circuit and the climate control system overall. Regular inspections of the wiring and connectors can help identify wear and potential issues before they escalate into serious failures. Owners should actively monitor the functionality of the climate control system, ensuring it operates effectively without unusual sounds or airflow problems. Furthermore, addressing any emerging issues promptly can contribute to the longevity of the system and occupant comfort. Implementing these preventive measures not only enhances reliability, but also helps avoid more costly repairs in the future. Keeping records of inspections can provide further insights into maintenance practices and vehicle history. In conclusion, DTC B1240 serves as an essential indicator of faults within the mode control motor circuit, crucial for effective climate control in Honda Civics from 2011 to 2015. Early identification of symptoms, such as inoperative climate controls or incorrect airflow, can significantly improve repair outcomes. Adhering to a structured troubleshooting approach ensures that technicians can accurately pinpoint and resolve issues by checking for continuity, inspecting wiring, and testing components methodically. It is also essential to ensure that replacements or repairs are performed thoroughly to prevent recurrence of the issue. This focused maintenance strategy not only leads to successful repairs, but also enhances overall customer satisfaction and their experience with their vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.